Hello, my name is Richard Devlin and I'm the Acting Dean of the Schulich School of Law. I wish I could be there in person with you to congratulate you and shake your hand on this great achievement. Whether you're a JD student or a Master's student, getting this degree is a wonderful success. You've worked hard and you deserve it. So on behalf of Dalhousie, I want to thank you for all your hard work, for choosing us as a school, and wish you the very best in future. Go out and change the world.
Dear Class of 2020, you've made it! Congratulations! Thank you for 3 great years together, and it was fun to teach you all, and now I wish you all the best in your career, and I hope that you will be able to celebrate. So stay in touch and see you soon. Bye!
Hi Schulich grads. In a normal year you would have received about 50 emails from me by now about tickets and gowns and how to say your name properly. Fortunately, this year's a little different. But despite this, it is still your Convocation Day. We miss you and we are so proud of you. Congratulations, Class of 2020.